You know, under the hood of the Taho in front of me here, a pretty engine isn't all that important. But I'm going to put this under the hood of a 53 Chevy pickup. And there, it really needs to shine. It really needs to look high-tech, well-maintained, and yeah, it needs to look pretty. But to clean all the little crevices, the combination of rust and old paint, it's quite a challenge. And this guy here, he's dangerous. So that's why I use my visor, and so I can protect myself. Always remember, protect the ears and protect your eyes when you're doing this. As I always say, I am a photographer and I'm not a mechanic, but I have to try to be one and then survive it. So follow every little step in what happens to this actually very beautiful engine, and until one day it's actually under the hood of the 53.